Hello everybody, welcome to Kilobyte. One of the viewers had sent me a question paper. She's a graduation student of the West Bengal State University and she wanted to know how to write the answers. So here I am with the answers. So this is a small screenshot of the question paper that I have solved. Remember, I solved only the logic portion, that is group B, and there are some questions in the paper which I had already discussed in a previous solution. That link I shall also be giving with this video, so please check that out also. So this is how you're going to find the answers in a PDF format. You can download them and use them for your reference. Thank you. Bye bye.